Here we are on the Sustainability tab within Xarvio Field Manager. When sustainability is selected within a particular farm, this farm being the Xarvio Bioenergy Training Farm, you will see on the left all of the active programs that the fields within that farm are associated with. Let's focus here on the overview. The overview shows two important tabs, the first one being notifications. This will have text specific to the program and requirements, timelines, etc. The Field tab will show you all of the fields enrolled in the program along with the current estimated production and carbon intensity score. If you wish to enroll more fields from this farmer into the program, you would simply click here and go through the enrollment process again.